This is our traditional monkey and cat story. They are trying to figure out how to share the rotis equally. The cat insists on taking the bigger roti, asking why it should eat the smaller ones. This creates a conflict. Two children suggest a solution, cutting the rotis to equal sizes and sharing them to resolve the dispute. The children volunteer to cut the rotis exactly for both the monkey and the cat as the animals hand over the rotis. The monkey suggests biting the rotis to make them the same size. But the cat knows what the monkey will do. The children begin measuring. They determine that the diameter of the bigger rotis is 24 cm. Next, the children measure the smaller rotis, finding that their diameter is 18 cm. When the children cut out the smaller roti from the bigger one, they observe a new ring shape. They are wondering what must be the width of the ring. The boy says the width is 6 cm. What do you think? Now the boy realizes his mistake. He divides the difference of 6 by 2. Correct? That's the right thing to do. They are celebrating the correct answer. Let us see why it is correct. See, the 6 cm is actually double the width. Can you see the picture? So 3 cm is the ring width. Oh, the cat is hungry. He wants to eat first. The children want to share the rotis equally. They want to cut the 18 cm rotis into 4 equal pieces. The boy wants to find the perimeter of one of the pieces of the roti. The girl says she knows how to calculate the perimeter of one piece of the roti. Do you know how to calculate the perimeter of the quarter piece of roti? The boy proposes marking the radius first, and the girl asks how to find the outer edge of the piece. They note that since the diameter is 18 cm, the radius of the roti is 9 cm. The girl suggests finding the circumference of the whole roti and dividing it by 4 to get the length of the outer edge of the piece. The boy calculates the arc length, that is the edge of the roti piece, as a quarter of the circumference of the whole circle using the formula 1/4 times pi times the diameter. The boy calculates the length of the edge as 14.13 cm. The boy adds one radius 9 cm to the arc length, getting 23.13 cm. He is thinking that is the total perimeter. The girl reminds him to add the second radius as well to find the full perimeter of the quarter circle slice. So now the final calculation is 23.13 cm plus 9 cm, which is equal to 32.13 cm.
A new question is posed. How many 6 cm rotis can be cut from an 18 cm roti?
Here is an interesting question for you. If you know the answer, post your answer in the comments section.
Understanding the concept is very important to solve any critical problem.
Thank you for watching Animated Maths for All series. Like, forward and subscribe